unboxing my new PC. So we have the box here. I actually got it from this website. I'll pop it on the screen right now. I don't know a lot about PCs to the point where I would be able to build my own. I thought this website was good because this guy builds his own PCs and he sells them. So it's like a win-win. It's not necessarily like a standard pre-built that you would get. It's customized, so I'm so excited. Oh, that didn't go as planned, but wait, hold on. But whatever. It is time to open it, and I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm gonna put the specs on the screen right now. Again, like I said, I don't know a lot about PCs, so if there's anything that I should upgrade in the future for gaming, for making YouTube videos, for editing, for streaming, put a comment down below if you guys know anything about that, please, and thank you. I got this PC for around 1.1K. I'll put the exact price on the screen, so let me know if I got a good deal for that amount of money, or if I kind of got overpriced a little bit. Nonetheless, I'm still so excited, and I personally think this is money well spent because you could always upgrade in the future. Honestly, the aesthetics of this PC is what strived me towards it the most, because you'll see in a little bit, it is beautiful. So before I open this, there's actually a lot that I want to upgrade to my gaming PC, but obviously good things take time. In the future, I will definitely have a setup tour plus a room tour, but for now, I'm just going to have to work with what I have. So as you guys can see, it's very well packaged, which is a very good plus. So one good thing about this company is that they sent me the steps, they sent links. So I'm going to put their links down below if you guys are thinking of buying a PC from them, so you guys could check them out. For sure, I think it's very, very, very nice and considerate that they included steps for this. I think that's super nice. Another thing is that they had super great communication with me the whole time. They texted me almost throughout the whole week, letting me know if anything changed, letting me know about things that I need to know about PCs, and so I thought that was great. I thought it was so amazing of them. So yeah, their links are going to be down below if you guys want to check them out. The first couple of things you have in the box are the cables, the antennas, and some other cords that you're going to need. After you get past the cords, you're going to see some foam here just to protect the top glass, and then we have an inside look of how it looks. It looks so beautiful so far already. Here's how it looks freshly out the box. You can see that it has bags inside. It looks freshly out the box. I think it looks beautiful. Such a beautiful PC for sure. As you guys can see here, it has one USB Type-C, two USBs, a headphone jack, and a microphone jack. As well as we have the power button and the button that changes the RGB. Okay, so I just took off the tempered glass. It's right here. I'm gonna get these packages filled with foam just to protect the packaging. Carefully, of course. And here's the inside of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful PC, guys. Alright guys, so we have the PC on and connected. How beautiful. Also, that background noise is my AC. It's not the computer, it's completely silent. Look at this. They set up a little screen for me. I'm currently installing Valorant. I have Fortnite downloaded already, and I downloaded Minecraft. But one thing that I've noticed is that the keyboard and the RGB to the PC goes with what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go to this link that's gonna take me to a lighter screen, and you're gonna see how the color turns more bright. Boom, just like that. It looks so sick. That's how the keyboard looks. Fire. This is my temporary setup right now. I don't have everything that I want, but obviously I'm very grateful that I have what I have. I do have a lot of things I want to change to my setup, so this setup is very temporary. It's not very aesthetically pleasing as I would like it to be, but it works. I have a chair to sit in, a desk to work on, and a PC that runs. Alright guys, so that's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed so much. I definitely enjoyed. I cannot wait to see my progress in my setup. This is something that means so much to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.